Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable do not track activities browser in Chrome browser. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this three dots, and this is going to drop down. The next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, come down all the way down to settings, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to privacy and security right here, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to go to third-party cookies. Simply click on that. I take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down under the advanced tab right here. What you need to do is to make sure you turn on this button right here. Do not track means that requests will be included with your browsing traffic. Any effect depends on whether a website responds to the request and how the request is interpreted. For example, some websites may respond to this request by showing you ads that are not based on other websites you have visited. Many websites will still collect and use your browsing data. For example, improve security to provide content services and recommendations via website and generate reporting statistics. So once you are satisfied with do not tracking, next thing you need to do is to simply click on confirm right here. And with that, you have enabled stop tracking my activities on web with Chrome browser. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.